how to create a craft and hobby kits e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and proceed to type in your email or your username. So here, after typing your email, you click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load. And here, as you can see, it's loading. And after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most. And then you do the same with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of craft and hobby kits. So I'm going to choose the tools and parts niche or category, and let's see if I can find another category. I'm going to choose art and crafts also. So I'm going to leave it with these two, and if you can't find your category in this list, just go with other, then click on continue. And if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step and give them a few seconds to build your store. And then you will proceed to your dashboard, which is this one. So this is how your dashboard looks. And in your right, you have the edit site button, which takes you to the editing phase. And also you have the design now button, and it's the same as the edit site button. The two of them take you to the editing phase. And in your left, we have 9 sections, and I'm going to explain each one of them right now before proceeding to the editing phase. So I'm going to start with website, and we have also the edit site button in here, and we have the domains button where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section where we have the site items where you can create new products or change the ones that you already have or delete them. Then we have the site categories where you can create categories for your products, or you can just create categories in general. Then we have options and coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have the orders section where we have where you can see all the fulfilled products, the cancelled one and the shipped one also. Then we have the fulfillment section where you can set your pickup settings or your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section where we have the site traffic reports, site activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, site items, abandoned carts, and coupons. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just click on the summary. Then we have the marketing section where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And if you want to see the summary of all these tools, just go with summary. Then we have the communications section where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section where we have the general settings. If you want to change your company name or your address, your email, or your phone number, so just give it a few seconds to load. And it's still loading. And here, as I said, where you can change your company name, your address, your email, or your phone number. Then we have the checkout where you can set your payment processors like connecting your Stripe account or your PayPal account, and also you can change your country and the currency of the store. Then we have the sales taxes where you can set your tax settings, and then we have the units where you can change the language or you can edit your units. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase. So just give it a few seconds to load. So here click on the edit site button like that, and you will need to give it a few seconds to be fully loaded. So it will not take that much, just 30 seconds or so, and it will be fully loaded. So here just be patient with it. So first we have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And here a styles will pop up, which is the first step of creating our store. As you can see, choosing one of these styles to be the style of our store. So we just wait for the template to be fully loaded, and then we choose one of these styles and check if it fits our store. Just give it a few seconds to fully load, and here it is after it's fully loaded. So let's choose one of these styles. I'm going to choose this one and click on hide styles to see if it fits my store. Definitely not, it doesn't fit my store. So I'm going to choose another one. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to check. So this one fits the store very good. Click on apply site styles, and then you proceed to the site's design where you can again change the site style, and also you can add an image to be your logo, change colors, change fonts, and change the shape of buttons. And if you want to change these elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid version. And when you're done, you click on done. Then if you want to set up your domain, type the name of the domain in here. If not, just close this one and dismiss all, dismiss. And here you have the pages and the sections that you have in your template. If you want to edit them or delete one of them or hide it or replace it, change the placement of it, or anything you'd want to do with it. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works, and I hope I achieved that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.